do you replace an entire rail bridge? Well, Harbourside designed a special gantry. The gantry has two modes. In multi-track mode, the gantry is erected on support towers flanking the bridge. Careful design ensures it sits outside the rail clearance envelope. This allows trains to keep running when the gantry is not in use. In this mode, the gantry can remove or place entire bridge spans on rail bridges up to 3 tracks wide. In single-track mode, the gantry pieces fit entirely within the rail clearance box and is mobilized to site along the track. The wing beams fold outward, allowing the system to expand and enabling span replacement. When it's done, the system folds back up to fit inside the railway clearance box. Now the gantry can safely roll along the tracks. On to the next rail bridge replacement. To learn more, visit harboursideengineering.ca.